Hi everyone, and welcome to day 14 of the 30 days to the roots of yoga. So for today's class, I'm going to be guiding you through another pranayama practice that you can do as a standalone practice, or you can practice it after you've practiced some asana. So this pranayama technique is called Bhastrika Pranayama, or you might know it as bellows breath or breath of fire, and it's a energizing pranayama practice that increases the quantity of oxygen that we can bring into our bodies. This is a good pranayama technique to practice before you do exercise or workouts. It's also a good technique to use just to bring more energy into the body if you're feeling a little bit sluggish or low in energy. So we're going to begin today in Vajrasana, so coming onto a flat surface or a mat and taking a bend in the knees, sitting back onto the heels of the feet. If this is really uncomfortable for you, then just coming into Sukhasana or any comfortable seated position that suits you. But Vajrasana traditionally is advised as it helps to keep our spine straight and in one line. So if you are able to, then just coming into this asana and placing the hands on the lap with the palms facing down. We're going to begin taking a few clearing inhales and exhales just to bring our body into the moment and into this class. So closing off your eyes or softening your gaze and taking a big inhale through the nose, carrying the breath down to the belly and the chest. And exhale through the mouth. And again, inhale fully. And exhale through the mouth. And one more inhale. And release. Good. And before we begin practicing Bhastrika Pranayama, I want you to do a few rounds of breath, just placing the hands on the belly and becoming familiar with this breathing technique. So again, just closing off your eyes. And now we're going to take a deep inhale into the chest. And as you do this, the chest will lift up. And then exhale as you draw the belly in towards the spine. So try and make the exhale short and sharp if you can. So deep inhale. If it helps to place one hand on the chest and one hand on the belly, then do so. And then inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And again, inhale. So just allowing the inhales and the exhales to flow smoothly through each other, but making your exhale sharp and steady. So a few more rounds just practicing what this feels like in your body. If you like, you can start picking up the pace, but making sure you're taking long inhales into the chest. Exhaling through the belly. Inhale and exhale. And then allow the breath to return to its natural state, releasing the hands. And when you're ready, blinking open the eyes. Now we're going to practice the full technique of Bhastrika Pranayama. So we're going to get the hands and the arms involved in this. And we're going to practice 5 rounds just to begin with. So when you're ready, just creating a fist with the hands and keeping the hands by the shoulders, trying to draw the elbows in as close to the body as you can. And when we inhale, we're going to lift the arms up. As we lift the arms, the palms are going to open and the fingertips are going to release out too. As we exhale, we're going to bring the arms down, closing the fists and drawing the elbows back into the body, all whilst trying to keep that length in the spine. So when you're ready, coming into this position, clenching the fists, clenching the hands and creating a fist, and maybe closing off the eyes if you like. And we'll begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe in and out, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, and release. And now taking a moment. When you're ready, bringing the hands into a fist by the shoulders, and we'll begin remembering to inhale fully and short, sharp exhales. And we'll start now. And release the hands back down onto the lap. Giving yourself a moment, noticing how you feel. So even a few rounds can make you feel a little bit more energized. So practicing 10 to 20 rounds when you become more familiar with the practice, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. And we'll do another 5. So hands by the shoulders, creating a fist again and drawing the elbows in towards the body. And when you're ready, we'll begin. And release the hands. Allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm, finding stillness in the body. And gently blinking open the eyes. So that was day 14 and Bhastrika Pranayama for you. If you like, you can practice that, as I said, as a standalone practice, or you can practice alongside asana. And thank you for joining me today. I'll see you for tomorrow for day 15.